Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 13 device. Now I'm gonna show you how to enable a color ID announcement on this device. So when we need to use color ID announcement. So I'm using this feature only when I'm riding on a bike and I have my smartphone in my backpack. And I want to hear who calls me in my earbuds, in my headphones. So if you are training or riding a bike, or I don't know, walking and listening to music, and you don't want to open your phone, to unlock your phone, to see who calls you, you need to enable this feature. So to do it, just open phone application, click on the three dots button on the right up corner of your screen and click settings. Then scroll down and here you will see color ID announcement. Click on it. Choose announce color ID and use always or only when using a headset. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.